Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common problem that many Flutter developers might face after updating Android Studio to the latest version, Ladybug February 1st, 2024. So, the problem arises when you try to run your application on an Android emulator or physical device, and you start getting errors related to a specific library, but in reality, it affects all libraries. It's a frustrating issue that keeps popping up no matter what you do, even after removing and reading the libraries. Now let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key here is to install Java SDK 17 separately from Android Studio Ladybug and configure your project to use it. To start off, you'll need to install Java SDK 17 through your preferred method. Once that's done, run a handy command pointing to the location where you installed Java SDK 17 using the Flutter tool. This command will ensure that your Flutter project uses the correct Java version and resolves compatibility issues with Ladybug's bundled Java. Moving on with the solution, there's an optional step that some plugins may require. You'll need to update your Java compatibility options in the Android app build.gradle file. Adjust the source compatibility and tardy compatibility to Java version.version_17, ensuring that your project aligns with the Java version you've installed. If you're using Kotlin, don't forget to set the JVM target to Java version.version_17 as well. In summary, tackling the Android Studio Ladybug error requires installing Java SDK 17 separately, configuring your project to use it with the Flutter command, and updating Java compatibility options if needed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issues and get back to smooth Flutter development. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your favorite Java pawn. See you next time.